Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another vlog. I think this vlog will be a bit different. I'm gonna make it more exciting for you. So at the moment we're still in lockdown, so it's hard to go out and do stuff, but I'm attempting to take this thing out. But I don't know if I'm gonna get a fine, I don't know if I'm gonna get caught, so I'll probably go down the park somewhere, or I don't want to do it at the front. You've seen plenty of that footage, so I'll definitely try something. But yeah, I hope you're doing well during this time. It's a hard time for everyone, but yeah, unfortunately this is the way it goes and we have to push through it together, and we're gonna get it. And let's go do this. Time to get some stuff done because I've been locked up and I am bored, so got the stuff here, let's go. Just some interesting scenes. People look at me like a freaking idiot. This is what I was on, sorry about the wind. Feels weird vlogging in public. I'd never do this, so very strange. Okay, this is weird. Just found a random chair here. Someone's been chilling and eating KFC, I think. So it's a bit weird. Alright, so I was on the way to the little where I am now, just a little path, and these two bloody old people walked out of the house and just looked at me because I saw the drone case, but they were just staring at me, and I'm exercising, it's essential, so call the cops if you want. So yeah, this looks pretty nice. There's no water though, it's crap will rain. That's what I love about Australia, the fucking bush. I'm not flying my drone around here because I will crash it, but I live near here and I never explore. I've never noticed this area, so that's really nice area. So here we are. Just don't know where. There's not really anywhere I can take the drone up, so I might not bother doing the drone. I might just like let you just enjoy this walk. As I said before, I don't understand it. I lived here for so long and I've not noticed how nice it is in this part. Like, secluded, bush all around. It's bloody amazing, like, you don't see this, like, where I live it's just like a big estate, and then you come here and it's just secluded, and there's not many people because of lockdown, so yeah, it's almost like I'm in a rainforest. It's really good. If you are stuck at home and you're losing it, definitely go for a walk somewhere. It helps a lot. I woke up feeling sick as hell this morning, but you know, going for a walk, it's helped a lot, and yeah, it's just more enjoyable, so make sure you do that. But oh, great, now I'm going to an open space. But nice little area. It's weird vlogging in public. I'm not comfortable with it yet. So, and if the cops come, it's because old farts called them. So, I might actually, I'm having a look. There's a nice little spot here. I don't know how close I am to other houses though. You know what? Yeah, I'll just take it off here somewhere. Alright, getting the drone already now, so hoping the cops don't get me here because I'm not doing essential stuff, so you know, that's something for you to get wary of, but I don't mind doing this stuff, something different for you guys, so why not? All ready to go. That's drone. It's just up there, you probably can't see it. It won't focus. Let's get you some drone footage. As you can see, you can like just that. That's how you do it, guys. Easy as that. But that might do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the more of a scenic type vlog. So I'm fixing the legs. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will definitely see you again soon.